Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my project for attendance manager using Visual Basic in Visual Studio. For the record, I'm using parallel desktop on my MacBook Air. So this is a virtual machine for Windows. So maybe there's slightly a difference from Windows-based computer. Hopefully there's not a lot. So anyway, I'm using database using XAMPP, aka MySQL. It's already starting here. And let me show you the database. I'm using database AMS, and let's see the users, the structure. Here's the structure. I'm using user ID as primary and email as foreign key. This participant, the structure is using participant ID and user ID from database table as foreign key. And there's instructor ID as primary and user ID from table user, and event or class as event ID and instructor ID as foreign key, and attend for recording attendance from participant. So there's participant ID as foreign key and event ID as foreign key and attendance ID as primary key. And let's go to Visual Studio. This is the interface for login form, and this is the code. You can see there's button login click is this one, and you can see the function on the button. When the button is clicked, it's gonna see if it's gonna see the input from the email, from input email and input password, which is this one, to check to the MySQL if they're an account on that correlation. And this is the part when you check the role. Is it admin, is it instructor, or is it participant? If there's a fourth unknown role, that's gonna be like this. There's gonna be a pop-up using unknown user role, and there's an error. So this one is if the email or the password invalid, there will be this pop-up. So login failed. And this is the connection to the database. And this is the interface for admin. You can see in admin you can add users as name, email, password, and role. And you can only add participant and instructor. If you want to add admin, you can add it straightforward to the database here. And there's a list of users. In selecting role, you can choose which users you want to see. Is it participant, admin, or instructor? There's a list of class. You'll see a lot of class in here, all of them. And yeah, this is the source code for admin form. There's a timer for this. Yeah, and where is it? No. This one. Button log out. I use this function throughout these three forms because it's the same function. You all just want to log out and go to login form again. So I'll use the same function for all of the three. And this one is function for this button, create user. In here you can see there's the name, password, to see the input that you chose in here to send to MySQL. So yeah, this is the role. You can see only two. You can add only participant or instructor. And if you successful, you can see there'll be like user, you successfully created a pop-up as a success. So yeah, and if there's an error, you see an error. And this one is a combo box, which is this one. For combo box, this list users. And so you can select the role itself, this one, the selection role, which is this for this one. So you can select either participant, instructor, or admin to see the role, to see the list of users. In here you can select the role, and this is the load data grid, which is this one. You can load the data itself so admin can see all the users. And this is the list of class, so all the class will show for this one. This one is it's gonna show the list of class that already been added. So yeah, and let's see. This one is for the professors or the instructors. You can see instructor can create class from the name of the class and the time it starts and the time it ends. There's the list of class for the professor itself. So the professor cannot see other professor class. This is the history. So you select your own class to see which student already attend. This is the source code for the instructor form. And let's see. See, the logout button is the same from admin because I use the same function for all the logout. And this one is create link, and to create class, this is the function itself. If it's successful, event created successfully. If it's failed to create event. So yeah, here you can see the data of the event, which was this one, list of class. In here you can see that it's only for the professor in question, not other professors' class. And this one is list of the name. This one is the selection for the history of the class, this one. So yeah, this one is the data of the student which one already attend or not. Yeah, this one already. And this is the participant form. You can see the current class. There'll be selection box. Which class will you attend? You will choose with this selection box, and it will show up when you already present in here. And this source code for it. You can see the show current event. This is this one this one is current event, so it will show you the current event. And if there's none, unfortunately there's no active class. There will be here. And the selection box will hide, and the present also will hide. So you can't really present if there's no active class. And this is to shows the table for participant. You can see there's like there'll be, I'll show you later. And so yeah, this is the attend click button, which is this one, present. So if you want to attend, I'm using this, and it will connect to my SQL connection, of course the database. And this one is to record the actual attendance itself. This is the logout button, which is the same within the tree. So yeah, let's just start. It'll take a long time because I'm using virtual machine. Bear with me. Yeah, this one. Let's use admin first. Oh no, let's just add, because there's, let me show you, let me show you. Admin, the password is admin. So if you log in, this is the list of users. You can choose which users you want to see. If it's instructor, you can see the name of it, and participant is the name of it, the name itself being pulled from here. From here is the name. Yeah. So yeah, and then this is the list of class, because there's none that been created. You can see here there's none. See, let's create class first. Let's log out and let's create some. This one, and yeah, let's create, let's say for this, let's create 2 class. This one is test 1 from yesterday to tomorrow. Let's create class, create it, and then let's add another. Let's name it test 2 from today at 8 p.m. and to tomorrow. Wait, I'm sorry. Let's add just for the next 1 hour. So let's 9 p.m. and create class, and let's create another class from another professor. The sort is and let's create it test 3. Let's create it, let's say it was Wednesday 8 p.m. to yesterday. So it will not been active. It will not active, right? To see is it gonna show you an inactive class? Let's create this one and let's do test 4, which is 8 p.m. today to next week. Let's do this. Yeah, and let's create class, and let's see on admin. You can see the list of class. See, you can see test 1, 2, 3. It's being recorded. Test 3 in here because the start date itself, it's yesterday, which is already done. So yeah, it's in the top, because you can sort it however you like. You can sort it with ID, class name or the end date or the start date. And let's attend. Let's attend as a student. Let's attend and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's attend. Let's see. There's only 1, 2, and 4 because the third one, test 3, it's already done. It's not active anymore, so there's none here. Let's attend at test 1 and test 4. That's it. And then let's log out. Yes. And let's do student 2. As a student 2, let's say gmail.com. And as student 2, you will attend all of the 3. Let's see, you can attend 2. Sorry, attend 1 first. Yes, and then you can attend 4. You attend all of the 3. Now we'll see if it's being recorded in the structure at gmail.com. And you'll see the class history. You see the test 1. There's student 1 and 2. It's what we choose. And in test 2, only student 2 because student 1 didn't attend test 1. Test 2, I'm sorry. And this is the list of class. You can see. You can sort whatever you like in here. And then yeah. That's all of it. I'm sorry, maybe I'm not showing you to create users. I'm sorry. Let's see. You can create users on here. So yeah, this is the participant. Let's say test and email as a test at mail.com. And the password is just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. And as an instructor, and create users. If you wanna do it again, if you wanna log in, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. If you wanna log, yeah. Oh, there's. I'm sorry. There's misinput on the actual. If there's misinput, it will show you the error itself. So yeah, you can see here, but you can see here, it's already added. I'm sorry, here, you can see is the test. Yeah, this is the test. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Test is email and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. And if you logged in, yeah, there's the professors. There's none because it's a new account, so there's no class. You can see it didn't show you another professor's class in here. It didn't show you another professor's history or anything. You can add another one in here though. So yeah, that's it for me. There's a lot of mistakes in this app. Maybe it will show bugs and I will not see the bugs maybe. So hopefully it's enough. So yeah, that's it for me. Bye.